My name is Kenny Guidry. I work for Pioneer Contract Services. I'm the director of the warehouse division. Pretty much oversee all of our warehousing and everything in this area. We started off, we're a commercial office moving company. We sell office furniture. We wanted to get to more energy efficient lighting, some brighter lighting, especially in the warehouse. They came in and they worked really well with us, getting ready for the job, pricing out the job. They were definitely on top of everything, really swift in getting the installs done. They did really well in that aspect. You know, not having to run to light switches and turn them on anymore. Now we have the motion sensors to make everything more efficient. Definitely brighter. They can see their scanners better and everything. They can literally down the aisles. They have a better view. It's definitely a lot safer than what it was before. We're very happy with everything that happened.